fingers down on the A string, B, C sharp, and D. We're going to pluck each one 3 times. Ready? Go. C sharp, B, A. We do it one more time. 3 fingers down, B, C sharp, and B, and D. Ready? Go. D up, C sharp up, B up. And then we go into rest position, and you clap for us.